Right, all the pipe work's in, electrics. We're pulling some new cables down here, so we've got a complete new circuit for this utility shower area now we're creating using a macerator. If you've been following us on one of our videos, you'll see from start to finish. And we put some isolating valves up here because there was nothing down here at all, so you can actually isolate the place. And I'm running a macerator pipe here with a flexi 32mm. It goes out here again. You see this in other videos. So we're just about to get this ready. We foam it because this wall is made of blocks, so you end up with big holes. Like in here, this is an example where we've got this piping coming up for the telephone shower head. So this all gets foamed in here, and that's obviously, it's impossible to fill it unless you're filling it with plastic bags and rubble, which we don't like doing. So yeah, a few tins of foam, and we're ready now to put a coat on that to try and get some kind of uniformity for the tiles. Just another stage that one has to do.